Hey guys, if you're looking for a quick, fast, well, it's not fast, but easy, this is cube steak in the crock pot. I've got mashed potatoes with mushrooms and onions. This comes together in about 4 hours, and I did not marinate my chicken overnight, but I did sear it in a pan before I put it in there. This is absolutely delicious with a lot of shortcuts. If you want to know how to make this, keep watching. Here are the ingredients for Crock-pot Cubed Steak. I've got 2 cube steaks. I'm going to show you, I'm going to pound those a little bit, flatten them out, and quicken the cooking time. This recipe is technically for 4, but it's just my husband and I, and after 30 years, he's never had cube steak with me, so we'll see if he'll eat it. You need some olive oil. I'm going to flour them and saute them for just a minute. You can put them in the crock pot raw and start cooking, but it seals in a lot of the flavor. I'm going to use a packet of brown gravy mix and 1 packet of au jus, and I would cut up some onions, but you know your girl Jen, welcome back. You guys know I'm all about quick, fast, and easy meals for people who don't have time to cook. We're gonna use some Lipton onion soup mix. I'm gonna season with onion powder, garlic powder, some black pepper, some Lori seasoning salt. I'm gonna add water and 1 can of French's onion soup mix. So I'm gonna get everything set up. Let's get cooking. Okay, I'm gonna season the meat. I'm gonna use some Lori seasoning salt. The packets are pretty salty, I'm sure, because you can't control the salt content. Some onion powder. So you want to be careful. Sorry about that with your salt. Garlic powder. Some black pepper. And I have my little meat mallet, so I'm just gonna, cube steak is tough. It has to cook low and slow if you want it to be fall apart tender. And this step here also helps add the seasoning down into the meat, because I didn't do a marination this time. You guys that know me know I like to marinate my food at least 12 hours, preferably overnight, for maximum flavor. But this is a quickie. I have to work tomorrow. And if my husband doesn't like this, I'll eat 1 today and 1 tomorrow with some rice. Okay, that's all set. Add a little bit of flour to the plate. I'm going to flour these. And like I said, this step is definitely up to you. You can throw it right in the crock pot if you don't want to do this step here. But it locks in a lot of the flavor and elevates the flavor by searing it. A little bit of oil. Okay, I'm going to add some olive oil to the skillet. Not a lot, I just want a quick sear. And let that come up to temperature. Okay, my oil is hot. Okay, just a couple minutes on each side. Like I said, I'm not trying to cook them, I'm trying to seal in the flavor. Okay, my pork chops have been seared, and unfortunately today I'm going to be using some non-stick cooking spray. I'm out of cooking bags, so I'm just going to spray this for easy cleanup. And I'm going to add my mushrooms to the bottom. If you don't like mushrooms, then don't add them. My husband doesn't like them, but these are big enough to where I can scoop them out. And then on top of that, I'm going to add my 2 cube steaks. Inside the crock pot. And to that, I'm going to add my brown gravy. The flour also will help thicken the gravy. I'm going to add 1 packet of au jus. And 1 packet of Lipton onion seasoning, because I didn't cut up any onions. So you see this will be packed full of flavor. And then I'm going to add 1 cup of French onion soup mix. There's onions in it. And some water. That's almost 2 cups of water. I'm going to cover this, put it on high, and let it go for 4 hours. Okay guys, this is the halfway mark at 2 hours. And they're getting pretty tender at this point, but they've still got 2 hours to go. They should be fork tender once done. See how thick the gravy has thickened up? You can serve this with rice, mashed potatoes, noodles, buttered noodles if you like, tossed salad or rolls. Be perfect for a side dish. So we're going to put the lid back on, let it go for another 2 hours. Okay guys, here's the finished product. This is cube steak in the crock pot. Show you how tender it is. See how easy it cuts. This is absolutely delicious. I'm serving this with mashed potatoes, and I've spooned the gravy with the mushrooms and onions on top. I want to thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, and give this recipe a try. I think your family would just fall in love. Plus, like I said, it's a crock pot recipe. You just throw it in the crock pot. And I wanted to announce to you guys, my website will be live today, jennifermalloryrecipes.com. All my recipes will be on my official website. Hope you guys check it out. Leave me some comments. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. So now I want to tell you guys my joke. Okay guys, here's my joke. The pastor asked if anyone in the congregation would like to express praise for answered prayers. Susie Smith stood and walked to the podium. She said, "I have a praise. 2 months ago, my husband Tom had a terrible bicycle accident and his scrotum was completely crushed. The pain was excruciating. The doctors didn't know if they could help him. You could hear a muffled gasp from all the men in the congregation as they imagined the pain that poor Tom must have experienced. Tom was able to hold me or the children," she went on. "Every move caused him terrible pain. We prayed as the doctors performed a delicate operation. As it turned out, they were able to piece together the crushed remnants of Tom's scrotum. They had to wrap wire around it to hold it in place. Again, and the men in the congregation, just like in the studio, cringed and squirmed uncomfortably as they imagined the horrible surgery performed on Tom. Now," she announced in her quivering voice, "thank the Lord, Tom is out of the hospital, and the doctors say with time his scrotum should heal completely." All the men sighed with unified relief. Pastor rose and asked if anyone else had something to say. A man stood up and walked slowly to the podium. He said, "Hi, I'm Tom Smith." The entire congregation held its breath. "I just want to tell my wife, the word is sternum." So that's a medical joke. It wasn't his scrotum, it was his sternum, which is his breastbone in between your ribs. So that had to be horrible. But anyway, I want to thank you guys for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, and more importantly, check out my new website, as I stated, jennifermalloryrecipes.com. Should be live today. All my recipes are on there. You can check them out. And I'm so grateful, you guys. And always, if you want to ask me a question or have anything, comment. I answer each and every one of my comments. I make time out of my day. You guys know I still work full-time as a nurse, 40 hours a week, but this is my hobby. So as usual, I want to thank you guys for watching. Please have a good evening. God bless you and your family always.